The Yamaha Ténéré 700 World Raid stands as a testament to engineering excellence, tailored for the adventurers who dare to traverse the globe. Its increased fuel capacity is a game-changer, boasting a dual-tank system that holds approximately 23 liters, allowing for extended exploration without frequent stops. This enhancement not only broadens the horizons for long-distance riders, but also instills confidence by reducing worries about fuel availability in remote locations. Further fortifying the World Raid's capability is its advanced suspension system, designed to handle the unpredictability of rugged terrains with ease. The bike features an adjustable upside-down fork and a rear shock that accommodates different load settings and riding conditions, ensuring optimal comfort and control. This, combined with the motorcycle's robust traction control and selectable ABS, provides riders with a level of safety and adaptability that is indispensable for navigating both off-road challenges and paved roads.